Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Kraken pool. Kraken staking pools offer an excellent way to earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. They simplify the staking process, allowing you to participate without needing extensive technical knowledge or large amounts of capital. We'll cover the basics of what a staking pool is and why it might be a smart choice for your crypto portfolio, helping you get started smoothly. To begin, you'll need a verified Kraken account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verification process, which typically involves identity checks. Once your account is ready, deposit the cryptocurrency you wish to stake into your Kraken wallet. Then, navigate to the Earn or Staking section on the Kraken platform to view available options and prepare for the next step. Now it's time to choose your staking asset. Kraken offers various cryptocurrencies for staking, each with different reward rates and lockup periods. Carefully select the one that aligns with your investment strategy. After choosing your asset, you'll select a staking pool. Review the terms, including potential rewards and any unstaking periods, before confirming the amount you wish to stake. It's a straightforward process. Once your assets are staked, it's important to regularly monitor your rewards and the overall performance of your staked cryptocurrency. Kraken provides tools to track your earnings and manage your staked positions. Should you decide to unstake your assets, the platform guides you through that process as well, though be mindful of any lockup periods. For more details and other great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.